Today, we unfold extraordinary innovation with the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. As Google's newest foldable flagship, it blends durable design, intelligent hardware, and seamless multitasking. With a 6.4-inch exterior display that transitions into a sprawling 8-inch inner screen, you get immersive viewing that adapts to your multitasking needs. Google's new gearless hinge ensures a smooth folding experience, offering drop protection without sacrificing sleekness. This is the first foldable phone to earn full IP68 water and dust resistance, perfect for beach days or sandy environments. Under the hood, the Tensor G5 processor powers advanced AI features like Magic Q, in-call translation, and helpful real-time suggestions. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, performance remains fluid, no compromise. The imaging hardware includes a 48-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide sensor, and a 5x telephoto. While not enhanced over the Pixel 10 Pro's slab design, Google's custom ISP enhances image quality. With a 5015 mAh battery, the largest in any foldable in North America, you get long-lasting performance. And wireless charging works with the new Qi 2 standard. Starting at $1,799 for the 256 GB model, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold keeps its predecessor's price while offering more. The 512 GB variant is $1,919, while the 1 TB option retails at $2,149. Pre-orders are open now, with shipping beginning October 9th. Here's where the Pixel 10 Pro Fold truly stands out. It's a multitasking powerhouse that prioritizes durability and intelligent usability without breaking the bank. If you're ready to unfold new possibilities, this phone might just be the one to beat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech-related videos.